444 tractor that I've done 2 other videos on. Highly recommend you go check those out if you haven't watched them yet. What we've done so far, we've pulled this out of the barn, got it turning over, but we noticed the starter generator that's on the other side. We replaced that. We got it turning over. Again, it stopped turning over because the generator stopped working, so we got the new generator on it, and then it started turning over again. Then we noticed there was a hole in the gas tank. We still haven't fixed that. Well, today I finally got the parts. We got brandy new spark plug here, shiny. We got a new plug wire. Now, I put this plug wire together myself, actually. We just bought the parts from Napa. We also got a brand new set of points. Look at that. So, let's get these points on. Let's get some tunes. On. Buddy. Hello. Alright guys, we had to call the old sound design because we're not getting a reception with that. Alright guys, you probably noticed I stopped. That's because I dropped a screw onto that pulley right there, and then there's a hole that goes down into the deck for some reason. And I was trying to get the screw out and it fell through. So now we gotta jack it up and I gotta try to get the screw out. We got spark. We have spark. We have spark. Alright guys, so seeing as our gas tank has a ginormous leak in it, I'm just gonna take this air filter cover off here. We're gonna try to start it on ether. So should be good to go. We had something there. Alright guys, so we got her to fire. That's good. Downside is that was on ether. We can't use the gas tank because that's just completely rotted out. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. We got it running. It runs. We know it runs. So that's good. Gas tank, not that big of a problem. We have 2 actually. We got this guy as well here. This is off the old case. This one's leaking the delicious rust water though. Ah, delicious. Anyways guys, if you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time, which hopefully will be part 4 or 5. Hoping we can finally get it running. Hopefully. See y'all next time.